told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you
In this
never
video,
said
I will show
felt
you
that way.
arm straight crunch.
Stay strong and fake a
Number
smile
2,
until I look
leg raise
away.
crunch.
But I've known you too
This
long,
exercise
it hurts to
you
watch
will
your
do
blue eyes fade
at
to
home,
gray as you
and
fade
it will make you
away.
make perfect shape to wake up your sleeping hero.
As you fade away.
Enjoy.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay.